Georgia continues to make solid progress in the fight against COVID-19. Our hospitalizations remain low and surge capacity is high. We have conducted more than 839,000 tests at more than 150 testing sites around our state, including 100% of nursing home patients who remain the most at-risk population in this pandemic. Georgia's rate for COVID-19 positive tests sits at 8%, which is down from 13% on June the 1st. And our hospitals, clinics, federally qualified health centers, and doctors' offices have access to PPE and important supplies to keep patients and staff safe. While I'm proud of our swift response and measured steps forward, we cannot grow complacent. This virus is deadly and remains a threat to our great state. Let's stay vigilant in the fight to stop the spread of COVID-19. Wear a mask, practice social distancing, and continue to follow guidance from public health officials. If you have a chronic medical condition, don't skip your doctor's visit. Reschedule any procedures you put on hold. Get a test if you want one. Finally, if the Department of Public Health reaches out, we hope you will answer the call. Contact tracing is key as we work to defeat this virus. My fellow Georgians, we still have challenging days ahead, but together we can keep our community safe and healthy. With your continued support, we can build a stronger, more prosperous state. Thank you, and God bless.